Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. This is video number 6 in the series of the videos which I am making for students of year 11 who starts year 11. So these are the concepts they should know very well before starting year 11 in an examination board. So this question is from coordinate geometry, or it is also known as a straight line, the topic. In the previous video, we have seen the question on the standard form and on the sets. Link you can find in the description below. So let's start with this concept. Line L passes through the point this, find the equation of the line. Now in this topic, you must know few concepts very well. One is gradient formula, which is the slope. So gradient formula is what? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You should know the midpoint formula, which is what? x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. What else you must know? Equation of the line, which I will show you, because the first part of the question is find the equation of the line. What else you need to know? What is the connection between perpendicular and parallel line? We will see that also. So let's start with the question and we will keep revising the concepts along. So line is passing through point which are given here. If roughly I sketch here. Okay. For example, this is point 0, comma minus 3 and this is 6, comma 9. Sorry. Now, equation of the line, students need to know two general form. Some people use y is equals to mx plus c and some uses y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. Both are the equations of the general form of the equation of a straight line. Whatever you are comfortable with, use that one, because no examination board bounds you to use any particular one. Okay, so I have solved in both ways so that you can understand both. So if you see, if I talk about y is equals to mx plus c, what does this m here for? Gradient. And what is this c here for? Y-intercept. So let's focus on this one first. So first of all, I will find out m. And I told you here m is the gradient. This is the formula I will apply on the points. Okay. So my gradient is, sorry, I calculated here. The gradient is 2, which I will use in both the forms, general form, because m is present in both the forms. So first of all, this one. So I used here gradient 2, you can see here. And in place of y and x, I can do what? I can use any point, either 0, comma minus 3 or 6, comma 9. Whatever point you want to substitute in place of x and y, you can do that. So I have taken minus 3, 0 and minus 3. You can see, because it is y is equals to mx plus c. So x is 0, y is minus 3. Mostly students make mistake in substitution. They replace x by y and y by x. So please be careful about it. Okay. So after that, 2 times 0 is 0. So c is minus 3. So now you have the value of c and you have the value of m. So you just need to plug in here in the general form in place of m and c, and you will get your equation of the line. Sorry, it is erased here. It is 3. Y is equals to 2x minus 3. Now let's see the second form, which is y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. So in place of y1 and x1, I will use any point, either this one or this one. Again, I'm using 0 and minus 3. So in place of x1, I will use 0, and in place of y1, I will use minus 3. So let's see here. Okay, so y minus y1 is minus 3, m is 2, and my x1 is 0. I'm using this point. After that, simply expand the bracket the way you simplify any algebraic equation, and you will get the equation of the line. You can see it is same, y is equals to 2x minus 3, and it should come same. Second part of the question is saying, find the equation of the line that is perpendicular to line L and passes through the point 0, comma 2. Now, if you make a habit of transforming worded question into a sketch form, it will be easier for you to understand the concept. So I have done this sketching here for you. because words usually confuses the student. So the line which is in red is the same which is given to us in the part 1, because it is using line L, right? Line L. And what is line L? He say here line L is passing through these 2 points. So it means I am talking about line y is equals to 2x minus 3. So I have represented it here in red. But what I have to find out? I have to find the equation of the line that is perpendicular to it. So I have drawn this blue line. Now if you see the red line, what is the gradient here? 2. For the perpendicular line, the gradient is inverse fraction with the opposite sign. So what is the inverse of 2? 1 over 2. And this is plus 2, so it will become minus half. Okay, so this is the relation between perpendicular and perpendicular lines gradient. And at the same time, question is saying the line is passing through this point. So now I know the point on the line, I know the gradient of the line. So I can easily find the equation of the line. So gradient is known and point is known. What is the point? 0, 2. So again, it is your choice. You want to use y is equals to mx plus c general form, or you want to use this form. Now I'm not explaining in both because I like the second one, so I'm solving it by second one. Okay. So I will plug in the value of m here, which is minus half, and in y1 and in x1 I will use these points 0 and 2, because this is the point on the line now. And then I will simplify it. This 2 can go here, this side, and multiply by it. So it will become 2y minus 4 equals to minus x plus 0. So you got the equation of the line. You can write it in any form. You can leave it like this, or you can write 2y equals to minus x plus 4. If you want to write y is equals to minus half x plus 4 upon 2, which is this. So in any form. So this is how you will find the equation of the perpendicular line. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please share it with your friends and those who are interested to learn maths concept or revise maths concept. Please take care and don't forget to press like and subscribe button to encourage me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.